How to get up to $300 discount codes and coupons for Garmin. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to the Los Angeles Times coupon code section. From the coupon menu, select on Garmin, and hereby you can see the best deal of the day. You can save up to $300 offer and get 15% discount as well. But make sure to check the expiry date first. Now you can scroll down to different types of offers they are providing currently. To view any offer or use it, you just have to tap on the View Offer section, which will take you to another page from where you can either copy the code or in some cases you can directly visit the Garmin and get the deal along with the discounted code. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.